Warm orange light repels bugs. The gadget works as a heater and phone charger, runs up to 75 hours. Early Kickstarter pricing was $39.
One is compact and built for British rain. The other connects to your car to add more space. Both are by experienced British teams, starting at $670.
A bed with pillow, -1 degree Celsius rated blanket, and memory foam mattress. Size is 189 by 76 centimeters. Self-inflating, starts at $500. A 3-person tent with 5 ventilation channels inflates in minutes, snow-resistant, weighs 5 kilograms, and fits in a backpack. Costs $1,300. Most campsites in Europe, around 68%, are located in rural areas, and many want to share that vibe with friends. If your friends don't have a tent, no problem. Americans invented modular units for 3 and 6 people. They easily connect, withstand wind and rain, and come with a canopy and waterproof floor, all for $309. An inflatable tent for SUP boards, 3.5 to 4.3 meters long, sets up in 2 minutes and weighs 5 kilograms. It costs $670. To stay safe in the woods, you can install a compact electric fence. It runs on a battery, USB, or even AA cells, works for 43 hours, and weighs just 1.3 kilograms, all for $241. This 105-gram mini pump inflates up to 10 pillows, doubles as a flashlight and fire starter, priced at $39. This modular tent with a kitchen and online configurator includes bedrooms, living room, lighting, and even bike stands. It fits up to 16 people, but requires a trailer. It costs $99,000. Love camping and your car? You'll like this tent that sets up right on your vehicle. It's 3.5 meters tall, covers 40 square meters, installs in 10 minutes, and fits in the trunk, all for $390. A multifunctional shovel with beacon, icebreaker, and tent frame comes with a telescopic handle, weighs 720 grams, sets up in seconds, costs $400. This device measures humidity and temperature, warns of danger with a loud alarm, works up to 100 hours, and weighs just 82 grams, priced at $39. 4 aluminum tent stakes with LED lighting, lasting up to a day, waterproof, and only 36 grams each, good for tents or as nightlights, all for $25. It sets up even on surfboards, holds 300 kilograms, and withstands 19 meters per second winds. Weighs 45 kilograms, priced at $690. This igloo-style tent is built using a plastic frame, mesh, and mist sprayer. Inside, you can place a wood stove with oven and barbecue mode that fits in a bag. The whole kit costs $1,900.